Building a website for your typing service doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website for your typing service on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, typing service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name and your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you. Bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your websites. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written, make it a bit more personalized to your own business. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on that first section, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And your physical location, maybe you're only a strictly online business and you want to leave that off. But once your website's live, your physical location, if you have one, and your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Put in all the links and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can actually click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for your website, all you need to do is click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. You don't need to know any color coding at all. Just go through the various color palette options. For each section you want to make amendments to make it a bit more personalized to your business, all you need to do is click on that update section button. Under update images where you can upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram profile. Under update action, we have those call to action buttons. Change the text on those buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file for those call to action buttons. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here. Keep track of all your leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you absolutely can connect it. All you need to do is click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, I really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your typing service. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.